Are you having an issue changing your age on Tinder? Well, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your age on Tinder. So let's move into it. First, all you have to do is open your app Tinder. Then at the top left corner, you need to click on your account. Here you can see the option of settings. You need to tap on it. Here you can see that there is no any option to change your age. Well, on Tinder, you cannot actually change your age once you have provided your age during your account creation. But if you really want to change your age on Tinder, the only option you have left is to delete your account and start over from the very beginning. That is deleting your current account and creating a new account with the age that you want to change on Tinder. Well, this is the only way how to change your age on Tinder. Likewise, if you want to know how to change your name on Tinder, then you just need to click on the screen right there. Well, this is it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.